There can be no substitute for investment in human capital, according to Economist Elson Low. At this stage of development, people are increasingly more important.
We've spoken at length about the need for oil and gas trading. We've spoken at length about the need to build our capacity to fulfill local content. We've spoken at length about assessments that need to be conducted for the approval of each new project to ensure that we have local capacity to be able to handle these projects. And of course, we've spoken about the need to properly audit, to hire audit firms that will help us there, and to pay GRA staff the appropriate salaries to ensure that they can retain their staff and to ensure they can carry out training.
The Guyana Revenue Authority had launched a program to train its staff in the area of editing in the oil and gas industry. However, the problem is retaining the staff.
The losses that come from poor governance are very extreme in nature. When you look at the oil audits, there's a question as to whether nearly $1 billion as these audits go forward. Each audit could be billions of dollars, or some of the smaller ones less than $1 billion. But that's a huge amount of money for us to have questions hanging over. We've not seen the government make any movements towards recovering the in excess of 100 million US that was flagged by the first audit.
Proper accounting through good governance would save the country billions of dollars, according to Low.
We're talking, first of all, we believe that in terms of public servants being able to live, they have to have good salaries. But we cannot, I think, to me, it is untenable that you could have the GRA having to pull its hair out over their auditors being lured away by higher salaries that are being offered by our companies, when the audits are so critical to Guyana getting its fair share, getting what it is that it should get.
He said that there seems to be what is known as intellectual inferiority. The government seems reluctant to hire experts.
They don't want to train people. They don't want other voices other than Jack Deo's voice to be involved in the discussion and to help in the management of the country. We take the opposite approach in that we believe that we need to hire people, train people, bring in experts, develop our local capacity to manage this industry. We understand that billions of dollars are at stake, and we will do everything in our power to ensure that Guyanese get the very best out of the oil industry and that we can use those resources to develop our other industries.